The Lionsgate portal is now officially open. This is exactly what I want you to do in order to make the most out of your manifestations. We are in a very special, rare time of the year where anything that you manifest comes that much quicker according to the stars. I did this video last year, and I have to preface with the fact that if you believe in something like this, that means that it exists. So why not just have fun and use another excuse to manifest? You don't have to believe in this. I'm not saying that this is the only and the best time. I'm just saying that let's ride the astrology wave for a quick little sec and see what happens. Because if we believe in this, it's going to actually amplify our manifestation. So let's join the astrology community just for a little second and just have some fun, god damn it. If you're not interested in that, I understand. You don't have to watch this video. This is for the people who are into astrology, who are into Lionsgate portal and grabbing opportunities by the balls and just manifesting and having fun. So with that, let's get into it. Okay, so let's talk about why August 8th is the most powerful energy according to astrologers and what you need to do in order to make the most out of it. Every year, around August 8th, there's a powerful cosmic alignment. The Earth lines up with a special star and Orion's belt. This creates a very powerful energy, again, according to astrologers. This star is called Sirius, which is known to be the brightest star in the sky. It's bigger than our sun, and it's actually called our spiritual sun because of its high vibrations. Orion's belt is something that you can see in the sky. It's a line of 3 dots, which are stars, and they're a part of Orion's constellation. When these align, it creates an energetic portal, and the energy that comes through it is next level. It's unexplainable, but all we need to know is it is known to be the most powerful time of the year to grab your manifestations, take them, and they will come really, really fast. But the only thing that we really care about is that it is the most potent time, the most important, powerful time to manifest what we want. Because when we set our minds to our manifestation, it will actually come that much faster. We have the support of the universe. We always do. Okay, if you don't want to listen to this, if you're part of the Law of Assumption community and you don't want to listen to this, get out. Get out of this video. You do not want to watch this, okay? Okay, let's continue. It also supercharges your intuition and your subconscious mind and your manifesting abilities. So the Lionsgate portal peaks on the 8th of the 8th, which is the 8th of August, and I will be doing a video that is going to be talking about what to do on the day and what to do the day after, so tune in for that. But it's all about abundance. So that means it's not just about finances, it's about more of everything. So the universe is literally going to be hearing you that much more, and your manifestations, your affirmations, everything that you're saying, robotic affirmations, the techniques that you're doing, anything that you're doing towards focusing on your manifestation and manifesting it into your life, it's going to come that much faster for you. So if you are focused and you are clear and you listen to everything that I say in this video, things can shift instantly. You don't need to hustle or do a million techniques. Literally just align to the decision that your manifestation is already done and watch the universe do the work for you. It's going to collapse your current timeline and put you on path to your highest timeline in the fastest way. So what are the vibes right now around this energy? It's high emotions, high intensity. You may be feeling a little bit more emotional, negative or positive, because the universe doesn't see negative or positive, it just is, right? So whatever heightened emotions that you have, it's because of the Lionsgate portal. You might have sudden clarity or intuition spikes. You may be having more dreams about your manifestations lately. You might be seeing things that are a glitch in the system, something that doesn't really make sense. For example, last year during the Lionsgate portal, I saw a man walking backwards and it just bends in my mind. I literally thought I was going crazy. I thought I was seeing things. Me and my boyfriend literally had to spin the block and see if we were literally imagining things, but no, we weren't. And you're gonna feel those kind of things throughout the next couple of days. What you need to know is that your thoughts are creating extremely fast manifestations, right? And that's even heightened more when Lionsgate portal comes around each year. So you have to be very careful what you think and how you feel, because whatever it is that you're thinking and feeling right now in every single moment, that is what is shaping your reality in this instant. Your self-concept should be magnetized during this period. And actually, because this is a period of abundance, the abundance will wrap itself around the self-concept, meaning you will have an abundance of self-concept. So it will be easier for you to work on your self-concept. So if you're someone who does self-concept work, make sure to really take advantage of this time. Basically, anything that you are creating right now, whether it is manifesting or anything else, this is a time for the amplification of that, the abundance of that, right? Again, abundance does not necessarily always have to mean getting rich. Again, manifesting is in quantum speed mode. Everything comes that much faster to you into your life. So this is what I want you not to do, because this can be harder for you in the long run for your manifestations, because if you do these things, it will just amplify it, right? As I was saying. So it will just amplify it, as I was saying. So do not doubt yourself. Do not spiral in old stories. Just like I said in the previous videos, whenever you feel like you're spiraling, just robotically affirm instead. You will get out of it. Literally ignore your triggers, because they will amplify if you give them attention right now. What you should be doing is affirm like your life depends on it as much as possible throughout the day during this time. You really want to be doing this through the specific period of Lionsgate portal. Lionsgate portal is not just August 8th. That's when it's at its peak, and then it kind of goes down. Oh my god, also it's 444 on the time right now. I love angel numbers. So the period of the Lionsgate portal is July 28th to August 12th. So all throughout that time, and if you're watching this after July 28th, then it's like July, because I think I'm going to be uploading this like July 6th or 7th or something. If you're watching it now, don't worry. You still have time. Obviously, it hasn't even reached the peak yet. So you just want to start robotically filming as much as possible now, because it will amplify and it will help you so much very quickly. Like, things will turn around very quickly for you. I also want you to visualize and feel in the end. You don't have to visualize, but if you don't want to visualize, you can just give yourself like a 10-minute affirmation session. And when you're saying that affirmation, just actually live in the end. Like when you're saying it, actually feel it. So it's not robotic affirming, it's literally feeling as though you do have this thing. Like, for example, my SP is obsessed with me. I love the affirmation. You really feel like in this current reality right now, my SP is obsessed with me. Hallelujah, God. And I am saying things that are a little bit different from other creators, because it doesn't necessarily have to be scripting, right? It can be any type of method, because a lot of people say you can, you have to script and, you know, there's a specific way of doing it. That is not necessary, but honestly, I'm all for opportunity and doing everything for manifesting what you want. Because like, if you really want something, you're going to like do everything for it. And if an opportunity of the Lionsgate portal comes around, you're gonna want to just, I mean, that's how I am personally. I want my shit so much, I'm gonna fucking do everything it takes, right, bitch? So yes, you can script, and this is my third thing that I think that you should do. You don't have to go crazy with it. You don't have to write like an A4 piece of paper like other people tell you to do. Put it in your fucking pillow, or like put it away and then read it the next year or whatever. You can literally, I mean, you can, if you want to, you can write a journal like as if next year is August 8th, 2026. And you're writing like, oh my God, everything came true. Like, I have the apartment, I have the long, healthy hair, I have the skin, I've traveled 25 countries with the love of my life, I'm married, whatever. But you can also just like keep it simple. Like I just love keeping things simple, right? So you're just writing 3 to 5 sentences on a piece of paper, like, my husband is obsessed with me. I am making $10,000 a month. Like, I am a fashion icon. I literally am gonna be in New York Fashion Week next year, like, period. Whatever it is that you want, you don't have to restrict yourself to 3 to 5 sentences. Like, whatever you feel, just script it out as if in this current moment you have all of your manifestations, and just say, like, I'm grateful for it. And another powerful hack that I love doing is writing, like, what you're actually grateful for right now that actually does exist in your life, and then, like, sneakily putting your affirmations in there too, of things that you want to manifest. Like, I made a video about this, I'll put it in the card up above, but it's like, for me, it will be like, I'm grateful for my long, blonde, healthy hair. A reality. I'm so grateful for my happy, healthy relationship with Stan. A reality. I'm so grateful for my 1 million subscribers. I'm manifesting that. And then another reality thing, like, I'm so grateful that I just came back from Italy. Like, I had so much fun in Italy, right? And you're just, like, sandwiching in those, your manifestations sneakily. Super powerful. And seamlessly transitioning on to the next point, you want to be spending time in gratitude in every single moment of the day. So if you see a beautiful bird outside and you genuinely like that's a cool bird, say it in your mind, like, that's a cool, because it may not seem like it has anything to do with your manifestation, but it does, because you're aligning to the energy of a person who already has these things. It's like, if you're dumb and you don't understand how that aligns, this channel is not for you. But if you can see a bigger picture of, yeah, I get that if I have all my manifestations, I will literally be a happy person. So if you just become a happy person now, you, by proxy, live in the end in that energy. And that's how I sneakily bring you back to the law of attraction side. No, I'm joking. You don't have to believe in law of attraction, whatever, but it's real. Whatever. So get in gratitude, spend time in nature, be in beauty, listen to your favorite song, and actually enjoy it. Enjoy your life. Wow. How revolutionary is that? That's what you should be doing anyways. I give you the permission slip. You want to do anything that makes you feel like all of your manifestations are already done. So, like, what else is there to do? You're literally just living your best life. This is a better version of letting go. You're not letting go, you are actively manifesting, and at the same time, you are enjoying your life. You're not just sitting by the phone and checking a text from your SP, right? What I would do is create a Lionsgate portal ritual. In dot points, write down what you're going to do every single day until August 12th. It could be something different every day if you're up for it, but what I mean is like a routine, something that you do every single day. For example, this is basically what I'm doing. I'm not only doing it for Lionsgate portal. I'm always doing this, but it's just helpful for me knowing that it's like, oh, I'm kind of supported, like, Lionsgate portal, okay, work, period. Even though I know personally, like, whatever. So for me, it's like I wrote in my Google Docs, in the morning, affirm for 10 minutes that all my videos go viral, and then go on about my day, and then do it in the middle of the day. Also listen to subliminals nonstop all day long, and in the evening do 10 minutes again, and then do sats. And then of me seeing the image of 1 million subscribers, and then I'm just going to be robotically affirming throughout the day in the way that I told you guys in the last video, or one of the last videos, and that will be up here. So yeah, that's my routine. You can make your own. You can use all of the points that I made, but I like to listen to my intuition. And right now I'm like, does it feel good in my body to script? I don't feel like scripting right now. What I am doing also, I forgot to mention, is that whole gratitude thing. So like I'm making a list of gratitude, and then I'm like seeping in my manifestations in there. Like, I'm so grateful for earning this amount of money per month, you know? So just write down what calls to you, what feels good for you to do, and just stick to it. It's nice having a time frame, isn't it? You know that you can do this nonstop like a crazy person until August 12th, and then just like relax, take a break, see what happens. And then you can maybe amp it up a little bit, or pick the techniques that make you feel the best, or give yourself a break, like whatever it is. But at least like you have this little challenge until August 12th, and you know that you are supported by the universe. And of course, you are always supported by me. And with that, I trust this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. Let me know in the comments down below what you were manifesting during this Lionsgate portal. And with that, I'll see you in the next one. Probably the next one will be what to do on the actual day because it's the most important, it's the most powerful, it's at its peak, right? So I'll see you then. Bye everyone.